All right, so here you could see we got some pretty severe washouts from several storms. We did lose a bunch of rock. I mean, I can collect a little bit from way down there with the bucket, but I'm gonna bring a few loads of gravel in here first, so we got the material here, and then I'm gonna cut it all down again with the TR3 and then regrade this again. That's one of our trouble spots. When you get gully washers, you can minimize it, but short of making a full-blown 12-inch pipe here ditch with riprap, I don't want to do that. Anyway, so you patch it up once a year, twice a year, and you just live with it, because this is our lawn right here. All right, changed my mind. I'm going to go ahead and put them scarifiers down and get a full regrade, and then I'll bring a little bit of... All right, so originally I was going to bring some more stone down after we get it graded, but I'm not going to do that. We're going to just see how this thing does with these 5-6 inch deep, you know, some of them are 8 to 10 inches wide, even bigger, with just the TR3. Put them scarifiers down and see how she cuts. All right, so here's one of the a little bit more advanced moves. You could see I'm pulling a pile of dirt and gravel with me since I put the scarifiers down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick this thing up quickly so I leave the pile, and then I'm going to push the pile in reverse with that rear comb. But here you got to be careful not to lower that rear comb all the way to the ground to where it's like catching, like pushing in and forcing it. You want to set your 3-point here to where that comb is just barely pushing your pile backwards, and then you know, you could put it into low spots as you're working this thing. All right, that's not bad for whatever I took, 15-20 minutes maybe. I usually build a swale right here and divert the water across here so it can slow down instead of just shooting straight down and picking up more speed. But these last storms blew right through that swale, so I'll just rebuild that. But as far as just taking out washouts and regrading gravel, I like it, man. That thing's awesome.